Hello there, my beautiful besties. Welcome back to Down for Glam. This is Gigi, and that is the set that is on my right hand right now. I do not have a video for that, but I did want to show it to you because you're going to see it while I'm working. And just let you know, it's only glitter and transfer foil, so there really wasn't that much to make a video about. So instead, you're going to get this one, which is really a practice video. I need to work on my skills. I need to get better at the hand painting. I need to get better with the flowers, and that's what we're working on today. And actually, this does end up being a full set, a full floral swirly set, but you're only going to see 2 nails today, because otherwise this video would have been, oh my God, so long. I didn't like where I started that petal, so I just took it right off and moved up a little bit. I like my placement of the first flower, or the second flower? The second flower. But I could have placed this flower a little better. Also, the daisy could have been a little better. But that's what this is it's a practice sesh. So I know you're going to forgive me for all my mistakes, because we're just here to learn together. So I'm just making these little petal shapes. They're not going to look perfect, but once you come in with the second coat, it actually starts to look a little more like a flower. And honestly, I know what's been holding me back is that, you know, when you're trying to do something new, if you don't feel like you're a genius at it straight out the gate, sometimes you discourage yourself, and that's ridiculous and silly. So I am going to stop doing that and just keep working. Because as you can see, after that second coat on that bottom flower, it really starts to more resemble petals. And the more you add to it, the more you get to that place of petals. So I'm going to stop giving myself a hard time, or at least I'm going to try real hard to stop. I hope you are going to also try real hard to not give yourself a hard time, especially on something that's just nail art, right? Not that you shouldn't have a sense of accomplishment from doing a good job, or that you shouldn't work hard at getting better at it. I'm just saying, of all the things in the world you could beat yourself up for, not being perfect on your petals or making flowers exactly like they look in nature, maybe that's something that we don't have to beat ourselves up for. So if you're doing that, stop. I'm going to stop, and together we are going to create beautiful nail art. I think that sounds like a good deal. Okay, so now I'm just coming in with a lighter color. It's sort of a pinkish, creamy color. To me, honestly, it looks a little like Silly Putty. But I just thought I like how it complements the bright pink. So I just came in and did a second row of petals that would be in the middle there. I think it came out pretty effective. I like how it ended up looking in the end. Now, as you can see, this set is going to be black and white. And now we're going to work on this black nail while that is curing. And we're going to do a little daisy. Now, like I said, I think my placement of the petals on this could have been better. But that's why we're practicing, because, you know, nobody's perfect. At least of all me. Certainly at art. Certainly at art. But I've been watching a lot more art videos lately. And so it's given me the confidence to keep trying. And so that's why I decided today was the day to practice a little bit of flowers with you guys. Curing. And while that's curing, we are going to come back in and outline these bright pink petals with the lighter creamy pink color. I just feel like it really made the flowers stand out against the white a little better. Gave it more of a finished look. And then around the secondary petals, we are going to outline those with white, because I just really felt like trying to do it with the dark pink wasn't really going to give me the standout I'm looking for, because it's pink on pink, right? Dark pink on dark pink, or bright pink. Blah, blah, blah. I can speak. Now, I did want to point out, I am going to, I'm using the same brush with this that I used for the rounded petals, but I'm using it more on its side at an angle, so it's giving me a different shape. And I just felt that that was, I liked how it felt while I was doing it. It was very effective. And now we're back to the lamp and back out with the other flower. And like I said, we're just going around that with the white. Gonna accentuate those petals and really make them shine, and add a little white in the middle and do that drag technique again. Not again. I haven't done it yet. Do that. Excuse me, just drag that up and make some little lines there. Sorry, for the coughing, I just had a little allergies lately, and so I'm a little phlegmy. Sorry about that. It's not attractive, but it is what it is. I think I'm not the only one right now. It's that time of year. Luckily, we haven't had as many fires as normal, so normally by this time of year there's so much smoke in the air I can barely go outside, but right now luckily it's not been that bad. Knock on wood. And again, we're just coming in with that little bit of white, and we're gonna do some little drags. Some little drags. Now we are gonna come in that middle and not go all the way up, but we're just gonna drag some of this pink, of the brighter pink, down through the center of those petals to give it that dual color look. And I'm just straightening out that brush a little, getting a little more polish in there, gel polish. And we're just coming in and giving it the look that I want. Ooh, I love that. That actually is my favorite part of this whole set, is how those two colors look together. I had to do something real quick in my game, and I thought I'd be able to cut it out enough, but you're gonna see a corner of my game there. It's called Ebony, The King's Return, and I'm just putting my truce agreement on so no one can hit me. If you don't put a truce agreement on, anyone can hit you at any time. So I've worked really hard on my army, and I don't want to get hit again. So yes, I like to play games. As soon as I have a better computer, which I'm hoping is going to be very, very soon, then I may actually start a gaming channel. So I really love to game, and I own a few games that I've never played before. So I took the black off that one because I just felt like it wasn't really in the middle of where the flower would be, and it didn't feel right. So I just left the black off that bottom flower there. But now we're just gonna outline these petal shapes in the white, the same way we did the middle shapes on that other one. So since we're working a practice session right now, tell me in the comment section, what have you been practicing on lately with your nail skills? I know we've all got weak spots that we need to work on. Mine is these rounded lines. I really need to work on those. It's not the best, and that's why a couple of the nails that you are going to see on Wednesday have swirls on them, because I'm really working on getting those rounded shapes better. But again, I'm the queen of cleanups, so what we messed up, we will come in and clean up, because I might not get it right with the brush and the polish, but in the end, the cleanups always make it better. And here we go with the cleanups. Yes, yes, yes. I do have my fan on really on low right behind me. I hope that that's not picking up too loud in the video. Now I'm just dragging down some of that white again, just to give us you know, that little variegated shading that you get from the flowers. That's one of my favorite things. And now we're coming in with that black. After this, we are going to be doing some top coat. So please let me know in the comment section, is this up your alley? Do you like the floral look? Do you love it? Would you wear it? Is this the set for your future? Here we go with some top coat. Now I am zoomed in a little more on this than normal, but I didn't want you to see the nails for Wednesday. So I'm trying to be sneaky. I'm trying to be sneaky. Be sure while you're down in that comment section that you click all my other buttons. It helps grow the channel, and I really want to grow this community so much. You guys are so fabulous. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you on Wednesday. Mwah! Bye-bye.